4 years ago, we, maybe 200-ish youth locally in Loveland, Colorado, and 200-ish people globally on Earth, became very curious about why so many people are stressed. We noticed most people can't wait till 3 or 5 p.m., till the weekend, or summer, or vacation, or graduation. We wondered why. We started to question everything. In experimenting with ways to rework the 7 hours a day, the 12+ years, and the ensuing mindset we currently call school, we began to believe that a solution might be as simple as 2 conversations. One with yourself daily, using your head and heart, asking yourself whether or not you are doing what matters. One with others, daily or weekly, breaking down walls, listening deeply, assuming good, building community. Our first year's focus was on setting an individual free. We were seeking ways to facilitate self-directed learning, where people could tap into their own genius, their art. It was heavy on self-reflection. What am I noticing, dreaming, connecting, doing, being? Our findings are not new. Practicing them, however, will require a change in mindset. It will require a culture of trust, with spaces of permission, where people have nothing to prove. The next year's focus will be on setting a community free, finding out what gatherings matter. This phase will be heavy on the art of conversation. How do we listen deeply to each other, get to know each other? Again, not new. Thousands of years ago, the Native Americans embraced the idea of a village, the entire community as teacher, as curriculum. The idea that everybody had something to offer was given. Somewhere along the way, competition bled into efficiency, and efficiency bred standardization. We're missing community, cross-generational expertise. We believe that technology wants to help us get back to us. So what if anyone is the we? What if this is the it? To diminishing our obsession and overindulgence to the point of sum zero again, in these. So if the big it is figuring out what it means to be human and alive, we're suggesting that these 2 conversations could be means to that. And we're suggesting that a potentially optimal funnel for jump-starting these conversations is public education. We're suggesting that it's compulsion, the assumption that we must teach and measure certain things, that is keeping us from betterness, keeping us mediocre rather than breathtaking. So we stop measuring learning. Instead, we prepare people for uncertainty. We facilitate curiosities. We create community. We create spaces of permission with nothing to prove because we believe there is never nothing going on.